Why does your scanner show the P2513 engine code? What does it mean? P2513 is a diagnostic trouble code for event data recorder, request circuit low. The P2513 engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low voltage in the circuit controlling the vehicle's onboard flight recorder, which records crash and driving data. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues, loose connections, module malfunction, software errors, sensor or actuator faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Jeep, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.